The color is. This has speakers on it. If this is missing, you can like hear that. If it's missing, you can like it's a very big sound. If it goes missing, you can literally find them. So let's unbox. So this has an arrow. This also has an arrow. Don't touch. We need it to be extra. I need to like ASMR. I need to do like that. So satisfying. So clean. Look, touch it. It's so shiny. Okay. Now let's take this now. Oh. Okay. Now let's start. And this is the lanyard loops. Okay. Why do we call it loops? Lanyard loops. Okay. And this is the speaker. You can, if this AirPods go missing, you can hear them by your iPhone. And you can. This will never be missing ever again. And this is for the AirPods. Let's open it. Ear tips. Yeah. Ear tips. Now let's open it. This is extra small. This is small. This is large. And in there, this is inside. It's medium. So now let's put this back first. Okay. Now let's look at this. Look inside the beautiful AirPods. What's that sound? It's blinking. When we open it, it blinks. See that white? Okay. Now look at this. And you see this? It's so shiny. It's not normal. If you put this on and listen to any song, swipe down for the volume to go down. Swipe up for the volume to go up. Let me see. Where? Yeah. Where? There. So sad. Okay, this is the cable. I'm not gonna take that now. Okay, now can we wear them now? I will go bye. This and it says R for right. And this says L for left. My right ear, it's not fitting. So I'm gonna take this and take the extra small. Okay, my dad just put the extra small for me, and this is not extra small, this is just medium. Okay, now let's close this. Now let's try to wear them. This is right. This is the big test. I want to try to. It's not going off. I want to try to. Wait. I don't hear anything. It's coming. The little sister is coming. Our little sister, not the little sister. Okay. She's so shy. I'm happy. I don't hear anything. And I can't even hear my voice. I can hear my voice a little only. Hello? Are you saying something? I can't hear you. Designed by Apple in California. So let's pick that. Okay, let's AirPods Pro. In this AirPods, there is 6 hours of playtime. You can hear music for 6 hours. And in my dad's old AirPods, which is missing, it only had 4.5 playtime. So this AirPod is awesome. Okay, so when I tried them on, there was no single noise. So let's try to connect on my mom's phone. Yeah. I'm sure let's take to do. Fits perfectly. Okay, there are some noise outside. Let's see if I can hear them if I wear both of them. Some noise. There are some noise. Now there are no noise. This is better than my dad's previous one. It's like, my God. This one, it's incredibly awesome and incredible. Absolutely incredible. Ding 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 ding. What the fuck? Say ding 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 ding.
Olivia,
I can't hear you.
unbox ചെയ്തോ?
അപ്പേ ഞാൻ എന്താ പറ്റിയേ? ചേച്ചി എന്തിനാണ് ചെയ്തേ? നീയും ചെയ്താ നീ
എന്നിട്ടാണ് വീഡിയോ എടുക്കുന്നത്.